Honda CB300R best first motorcycle for beginners. The world of motorcycling is a captivating realm that offers freedom, excitement, and a unique connection to the open road. For beginners venturing into this exhilarating world, the choice of their first motorcycle is a pivotal decision that sets the tone for their journey. The Honda CB300R, with its blend of accessible power, modern aesthetics, and versatile performance, stands as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, contemporary design, and rider-centric features, the CB300R provides an ideal platform for beginners to embrace the world of motorcycling and embark on a journey of skill development and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Honda CB300R lies a refined 286cc single-cylinder engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance that allows beginners to experience the joy of riding with confidence. Agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability. The CB300R offers agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and nimble characteristics contribute to a stable and confident riding experience, whether on city streets or winding roads. Modern design and stylish aesthetics. The CB300R boasts a modern and stylish design that reflects Honda's commitment to contemporary aesthetics. Its minimalist form, bold lines, and distinctive features contribute to the motorcycle's dynamic appearance, appealing to riders seeking both performance and style. Comfortable riding position and ergonomics. The CB300R is designed to provide a comfortable riding experience for beginners. The upright riding position, well-positioned foot pegs, and wide handlebars ensure that novices can ride comfortably for extended periods without straining. Safety features and confidence building. Safety remains a priority, especially for beginner riders. The CB300R often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they navigate different road conditions. Urban and versatile riding experience. The CB300R's versatility shines in both urban environments and spirited rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between city commutes and embracing the thrill of open road adventures, all while enjoying the motorcycle's dynamic performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand form a community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for motorcycling and the CB300R's versatile capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda CB300R encourages skill development as beginners build their confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully immersing themselves in the world of motorcycling. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Honda CB300R isn't just a starting point, it's a lifelong companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its balanced performance, modern design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the CB300R as they evolve from novice riders to experienced motorcyclists. Conclusion. The Honda CB300R embodies Honda's commitment to delivering an accessible and modern motorcycling experience for beginners. With its balanced performance, contemporary design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the CB300R provides an immersive introduction to the world of motorcycling. By choosing a Honda CB300R, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for riding and the exhilaration of exploring the open road on two wheels.